Juneau and Monroe. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northwestern Juneau, northwestern Adams and northeastern Monroe counties. At 4:10 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Tomah, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado reported by spotters. Debris has been seen lifted on radar. A tornado has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Juneau, northwestern Adams and northeastern Monroe counties, including the following locations: Arkdale, New Minor, Mather, the Nesita Wildlife Refuge, the Sprague Mather Flowage, Normay Ridge and Oakdale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 near mile marker 147. Interstate 90/94 between mile markers 46 and 53. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 43 and 45. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.